This is Novo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. For more breaking news, please visit our website www.novo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada! This is Novo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. Putuja.
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti igama lami ngoPeter ngihlala eMidlands ne
Yazonke ubone njani game namhlanje?
Hayi game namhlanje hayi beyidlala iPirates ngibone kahle masicicuzela ukuthi hayi bafite yani phambili mara bebadlalele emuva kakhulu bebanika usiphuchene kakhulu ibhola emuva yabona bhuti wami
yini bofuna ukuyibona kule game namhlanje ongayibonanga
it just that ama chances besinawo but sileke ukuthi score sileke ukuthi singakuri
yini kumele icoach yenze going forward
coach yenze lesa scheme lesibesifake last week bekumele ifake sona futhi lesa scheme sa last week besifake sona so kunalo mfana lo bathu bani uSibisi makalimala then ngafaka lo mfana lo uZulu wayenza iphuthe emuva iDurban City yazi yaqora yabona bhuti ngabe bekuyilesa stinchi lesa se last minute 120 bekungoba bezoba sikuma penalty khona manje
ngabe senkingeni
ngabe senkingi
no siyabonga kakhulu, congratulations man.
Danke bhuti
Danke siyabonga.